What's up, my girls, my dudes, my gang, my family? It is I, Nito, also known as Winky. So, as you guys know or realize it's been a while since I did the Roblox videos with a microphone working. But this time, guys, I got the news. The news are bad, guys. Oh, the news. The news will make you cry because they made me cry. Just kidding, I didn't cry because I'm a big boy. So, remember that death sound like oof. So, you guys won't believe it. Yes, guys. They replaced it. There is no more oof. There is only ah. Ah. What is this? Ah. Roblox. What are you gonna do? What? They took it away from me. I can't believe it. They took it away from me. They took it away from me. They took it away from us. They done it. They didn't even bother to make something good. It's just like it's just what is this, Roblox? I can't. I'm going insane, Roblox. Why do Roblox did this to us? You guys. I am sad and pissed at the same time, guys. This cannot go unpunished. You know what I'm gonna do about it? Consecutive normal punches.